You've got 2 Ferrari badges here. You've got the main one there, like on the sports cars, and then you get an extra one down here as well. Moving down the side, there's more vintage going on here. Look at this. These got air curtains here that help smooth the airflow down the side of the car. Vents in here. And I like the way they're doing this cutaway with the wheel arches. It's just interesting. And it makes it look mean. Speaking of which, this car's like fully blacked out really. And these aren't the actual original wheels, these are Novitec wheels. The sizes are the same though, 22s here at the front and 23s at the back. That's what you get as standard. The owner of this car, who's lent it me, Steve Kira, thank you Kira from Kira Solutions, he didn't like the standard wheels, so he upgraded to these. So this car has the crests on the side, and as we go down, look, it's kind of like a big sporty hatchback, isn't it? So maybe it's not an SUV, it's just a big fat sporty hatchback. Don't think Ferrari would want me to call it that. Anyway, who cares? Moving down to the rear, really like the shape of the tail end of this car. Once again, intricate designs here, rear vents, no messing about. Is it the coolest looking SUV? Is it better looking than an Aston Martin DBX? I actually think yes. It's very expensive though. So the starting price, £313,000. So this one though, with all the options, £430,000. And a lot of that added cost is carbon fibre. So I'll just talk you through the carbon fibre on the outside of this car and the price of it. Carbon wheel arches. Carbon rear diffuser, carbon under door cover, which I think is Ferrari speak for side skirts, carbon mirrors, carbon splitter. And the total for the exterior is, yeah, there's more optional carbon inside. Carbon sill cover, carbon instrument cover, carbon here and carbon there. And finally, the carbon steering wheel pack. That brings the total spent on extra carbon to this. Here on the inside, I do like the design, the way you have like the main dash element there for the driver, then you have like a separate one for the passenger, and this is standard. The only thing is from where I'm sat, right, give me this camera, I cannot see what's on it because it's designed not to distract the driver. So I can't see that, but as when we move that back round, you can sort of see. So Adam, can you operate it to show the kind of things that it displays on there?
Yeah, you can see all the car dials, instruments, you've got the radio, the climate control, you've got the seats.
Okay, that's enough of that. Anyway, let's move on to my display, all right? Still in the limelight. So here we go, fully digital display. Big digital rev counter, nice and clean. I like how it operates. Do you know what? People have been complaining about Porsche going to a digital rev counter, and Ferrari's been doing it for quite a while now, and no one complained about that. What I will complain about though is this. The actual, the infotainment system is an absolute mess. So I have to control it using these touch sensitive buttons on the steering wheel, which aren't nice to operate. And then it cycles through. It's all a bit laggy and ploppy. Oh, come on, is that working? Work, I don't know, work, come on, you're supposed to go into, look, is that the way to press it? Not ideal.